Now at 5:30, a spring storm brought more snow to our mountains today. Temperatures are cold and winter just doesn't want to go away this year. Good evening. This is the KTLA 5 News at 5:30. I'm Cher Calvin.
And hi there, I'm Courtney Friel in tonight for Pedro. Today's snow caught some people off guard, but after the last few months, this storm didn't pack quite the same punch in recent months, thankfully.
Yeah, still the slick roads did cause problems for a few motorists. KTLA Shelby Nelson is live in Running Springs once again for us with more. Hi, Shelby.
Hi, Sharon Court. Yeah, we thought we were done, but here we are again here in Running Springs. It was late, it was unexpected, and take a look right behind me, all of that fog that you're seeing after the snowfall here in Running Springs, which received about 3 inches of snow today. We know that areas of Mount Baldy received about 8 inches, and this was just enough to cause a bit of a headache for some drivers. Slushy roads and a white landscape, not the most common thing to see in our mountains around this time of year.
Yeah, it's great, unless you have to put chains on your car.
That's what Don Marquez was doing.
This isn't the easiest thing to do.
He was in Running Springs Wednesday and decided to head back down the next day. Little did he know the area would get showered with roughly 3 inches of snow. Did you bring chains?
Of course not.
How are your hands right now?
Hurting. You gotta learn one way or the other, I guess.
Businesses, vehicles all blanketed with a fresh layer of powder from this late spring storm. How rare is it to have a storm like this in May?
Yeah, it's fairly rare. We don't see another storm like this on the horizon. This probably was an anomaly, a kind of a one and done storm.
But it was enough to cause a mess on mountain roads. Along Highway 173 in Lake Arrowhead, the driver of this Kia lost control, causing it to roll over. The driver was hospitalized. And along Highway 18, several commercial vehicles getting stuck.
This is going to melt in no time. It's not going to be a whole lot of shoveling.
Mountain resident Helene Foreman isn't worried. After all, she got through the worst of it, what she calls snowmageddon.
This is actually nothing because we all survived the 12 feet of snow. It was epic. It was like nothing I've seen in the 20 years I've been here.
Wow. And forecasters say because we had such an active winter, it wouldn't be surprising to see yet one more storm this month. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Reporting live in Running Springs, I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.
Shelby, thank you so much. Say hi to